Hello, Mungai Kihara again. Today we are in Ruiru Murera, exactly 4 kilometers from Thika Superhighway and exactly 50 meters from the tarmac. Next to me is a 3-bedroom all-ensuite bungalow with a print area of 150 square meters. The price of this unit is 7.5 million. As you can see, this unit comes surrounded with a perimeter wall and it comes with a sliding gate. From the gate, this unit comes with a 2-car parking, and below it, you have a biodigester. On the opposite side, you have an external washroom. This is the entrance to the bungalow. Follow me inside. This unit comes with a double door that makes it very easy for you to get your things inside. This living room comes with these 3 windows and the transparent door, and in combination they set maximum natural light to this room. On my left hand side, you have an area for your electronics. This living room comes with perfect lighting system. I'll show you. As you can see, we have the side lights, we have the main lights, and we have the TV lights. Before I show you the dining area, I want you to take a minute and admire the craftsmanship of this gypsum ceiling. It's beautiful. Let me show you the dining area. Before I give you the details of this dining room, just look at this piece. You just require 2 or 3 chairs here, and this piece will act as a breakfast table or a small bar for your drinks. This dining area is big enough to fit a middle-class family, and it comes with a wash basin. The ceilings of this room are beautiful. Let's have a look at the kitchen. The entrance is here. From here, this kitchen comes with massive storage for your cutlery, and also you have several drawers. On this opposite side, you have a section for your drinks, and you also have an extra storage. This door leads to the laundry area of this kitchen. I'll show you that. This is the sink area of this kitchen. I would like to show you how they have utilized the area under the sink. Just look at this. The sink area comes with a double sink, and you have this massive window that supplies maximum natural light while you are doing your dishes. Next to me, you have this section that is set aside for your cooking stove, and you have the hood. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets, and I admire this cabinet in specific. Just look at it. It's interesting. Below it, you have this section here for your refrigerator. Let's see the laundry area, and then I'll show you the first bedroom. The laundry area extends from here to the end of this unit. Let's get back inside. This unit has 2 wings. On my right hand side, you have the primary bedroom. On my left hand side, you have the other 2 bedrooms. Just follow me. This room is big enough for your boys or your girls, and it comes with the washroom here and the closet on this other side. Let's see this. As you can see, you have a sectioned part here, 3 drawers, and you have the main compartment here. This is big enough. On the other side, you have a sectioned part. This bedroom comes with these 2 windows that makes this room very airy and well lit. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is of an average size, but it's big enough for kids. This bathroom comes with a water closet, a shower head, and all the other showering equipment. Let me show you the second bedroom. The second bedroom is just next to me. Let's get inside. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. This bedroom comes with floor-to-ceiling closets. The bathroom is here. Let me show you the closets. As you can see, you have a sectioned part and 3 drawers. This plus this are the main sections, and it's a massive space for your kids. At the far end here, you have an extra sectioned part. Let me show you the bathroom. This bathroom is just similar to the one in the first bedroom, and it comes with a water closet and all the showering equipment. Let's head to the primary bedroom. From the kids' bedrooms, the primary bedroom is here. This room is massive when compared to the others. And it comes with the primary closet here and the primary bathroom. I'll show you the closet first. This closet comes with two similar sections for you and your partner. The closet also comes with a dresser and it has a hidden compartment. I like that. This closet also comes with 3 drawers for more storage, and on this opposite side you have a sectioned part. Let me show you the primary bathroom. Just follow me. Come. The primary bathroom has 2 sections. On this side you have a wash basin and a water closet. On this opposite side you have the showering area, and it comes with a shower head and all the showering equipments. The showering area is big enough for a bathtub. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour. If this unit is not in your bucket list, I don't know what is. Our contacts are in the first comment. Thanks for watching.